Miss Mizoram 2020. So far, the result of district-wise screening for 10 districts have already been declared. These are the contestants we have for Miss Mizoram 2020. Number 1, Lalmuansangi Varte from Champhai district. Number 2, Jecelyn Lynanokhai from Siaha district. Number 3, Zirsangpuii from Khawzawl. Number 4, Fiona Lalthahluii from Saitual. Number 5, baby Zomuanpuii Fanai from Mamit district. Number 6, Saizampuii from Serchhip district. Number 7, Lalthuthlungthari from Lawngtlai district. Number 8, Lalsangzeli from Lunglei district. Number 9, Lalhnaihzuali from Hnahthial district. Number 10, Ruth Lalrinfeli from Kolasib district.